Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the core foundations of cyber defense. The demand for security professionals is expanding rapidly right now, with job roles expected to grow by more than 30% by 2030. As security experts, our mission is to protect organizations and everyday people from constantly evolving global threats, mitigate risks, maintain regulatory compliance, and build brand trust. And here's the best part, you need zero prior experience to begin learning these foundational defense skills. So what are we actually defending? At its core, security professionals protect critical organizational assets and sensitive personal data from identity theft and financial fraud. We break this data down into two primary levels. First, PII, or personally identifiable information. This includes basic details like names, physical addresses, phone numbers, and IP addresses used to infer identity. Second, SPII, or sensitive PII. This carries a much higher risk level and includes biometric data, medical records, financial data, and social security numbers, all subject to strict handling guidelines. When this data is compromised, it leads to severe financial loss, identity theft, and critical brand damage. To protect these assets, we have to understand where threats originate. A threat actor is any person or group, inside or outside the organization, who presents a security risk. External threats come from outside actors attempting to gain unauthorized access to private networks or devices. Internal threats, however, come from within. These can be accidental, like an employee unknowingly clicking on a malicious phishing link, or intentional, such as a disgruntled employee or trusted vendor abusing system access for personal gain. Understanding past attacks gives us the essential blueprint for investigating and stopping future threat variants. Back in the 1980s, we saw early viruses and worms. The brain virus spread via floppy disk, while the Morris worm crashed roughly 10% of the early internet. By the 2000s, social engineering took off. The love letter malware infected 45 million computers by directly exploiting human trust via email. And in 2017, unpatched system vulnerabilities led to the massive Equifax breach, exposing 143 million customer records. As security analysts, we guard against incidents by continuously monitoring networks and investigating anomalies to maintain business continuity. Our work rotates across three continuous operational pillars. 1. Protect. We monitor internal networks continuously and act as first responders to detected security threats. 2. Prevent. We install specialized defense software and conduct ethical hacking or penetration testing to discover system weaknesses before attackers do. And 3. Audit. We periodically review security records, user permissions, and overall organizational activities to ensure compliance and safety. A successful career in cybersecurity requires a balanced combination of critical thinking, clear communication, and technical execution. On the transferable side, your ability to problem solve, communicate clearly, collaborate across teams, and analyze complex scenarios is vital. In fact, diverse professional backgrounds drive more creative solutions to complex global threats. On the technical side, you'll build practical skills in operating SIEM tools, performing computer forensics, and writing automation code to streamline defenses. To structure all this work, the cybersecurity field uses the 8 CISSP domains as an organizational baseline. Strategy and assets encompasses security and risk management and asset security. Identity and operations covers identity and access management, security assessment and testing, and daily security operations. Infrastructure includes security architecture and engineering, along with communication and network engineering. And development focuses specifically on software development security. How do organizations make sure they stay secure and compliant? They follow security frameworks. These frameworks provide a structured approach to implementing the security lifecycle and ensuring regulatory compliance. The process follows 4 main steps. 1. Identify and document. Define security goals and compliance needs like GDPR. 2. Set guidelines. Design organizational procedures to achieve verified goals. 3. Implement. Deploy strong security processes across the entire workforce. And 4. Monitor. Track network behavior and report compliance results to stakeholders. A primary example is the NIST CSF, a voluntary, industry-standard framework used as a baseline to manage short-term and long-term risk. Every security evaluation rests on the CIA Triad combined with strict ethical guidelines. Confidentiality ensures only authorized users access assets. Security professionals must never abuse access to view private PII or payroll data. Integrity ensures data remains correct, authentic, reliable, and untampered with, often using encryption. And availability guarantees that authorized users have reliable access to data when needed, as negligence leading to data loss violates compliance laws. To carry out day-to-day defense, analysts rely on specialized software tools to collect, filter, and analyze massive amounts of log data in real time. SIEM tools. Applications like Splunk and Google Chronicle aggregate logs and alert security teams to specific threats instantly. Network protocol analyzers. Tools like Wireshark and TCP dump capture and analyze live data traffic through packet sniffing. And playbooks, detailed operational manuals that guide analysts step by step on how to respond before, during, and after an incident. To manipulate data and work efficiently, analysts utilize specific operating systems and programming languages. Linux, an open-source operating system relying on text-based command lines to efficiently examine system error logs. SQL, structured query language, used to instantly filter and retrieve specific data points from databases containing millions of records. And Python, a programming language utilized to execute time-consuming, highly detailed security tasks automatically. When we bring everything together, cybersecurity functions as an interconnected defense-in-depth ecosystem where policies, operations, and technology layer together to protect critical assets. Frameworks guide overall strategy, establishing rules of engagement and ethical boundaries. CISSP domains structure operations across physical, digital, and developmental vulnerabilities. And tools execute the defense in real time to neutralize threat actors trying to compromise protected data. Now that you've laid the theoretical foundation, it's time to turn that knowledge into hands-on technical expertise. Step 1. Dive deeper. Explore CISSP domains, NIST frameworks, and business operations in detail. Step 2. Get hands-on. Practice interacting with Linux terminals, writing SQL queries, and utilizing SIEMs. Step 3. Enter the market. Prepare for entry-level roles in 3 to 6 months and connect with hiring consortium partners. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below letting me know which area of security excites you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video in this series. See you in the next one.